street designers, and boy, do I tell you, I have a treat for you today.
No, first off,
Yes.
okay, I don't know why you like putting me in these situations.
Because shush. So today's episode is really going to elevate Bob to the next level, or it's going to crush his soul bad. Either way, it's going to be funny for all of us.
Now, just like the door that I have to spray to stop the squeak, which I do every week, we have some interesting things for you today. We have something that's going to be taking us a little bit high. We're going to have something that's going to have a little bit of violence. And we also have a special celebrity guest that's going to make an appearance somewhere within this video. Very pumped, very excited, with the exception at the beginning of this video. Karri is taking me somewhere that, well, let's see, you know, if you don't know, I am extremely afraid of heights. So... So what you do is you make me come here to fly scenic helicopter tours. I'm not gonna lie, this is no drama for YouTube or anything like that. I am literally scared to death of getting on that helicopter.
It's going to be great. He's going to be fine. He's going to love it.
But for the sake of the channel, we're going to take you along, and we're going to see how much of this I can actually handle, how much of this I can actually film. Did you know, for instance, they have to weigh you before going on this? Anything that I have to be weighed for first, that makes me more scared, because what the hell? Anyhow, you join us. I'm quite sure there's going to be some cursing. I think there's going to be a whole lot of laughter and hilarity as we have the, what package do we have? Because we didn't do, we didn't do the $9 out and back quarter mile. What did you book?
We got the scenic mountain tour.
Yeah.
It's only 17 miles.
So I guess on
we got
one
the
level,
middle.
If you see this video, then you know we made it back, because I have to do the editing. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. It's a good thing I wore dark colored underwear. I can't express, like,
it's gonna be fine.
I'm trying to be chill about this, but I don't do well with heights. This is going to be something.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Okay, so
See,
again,
he did it. His soul wasn't crushed. He was elevated, a little sweaty, but you had fun, didn't you?
so I gripped Karri's thigh the whole way. The guy our pilot was Ben. Fantastic job. Couple of recommendations: bring cash, because these poor guys, I didn't have any cash on me to tip them, but they do take Venmo. So always, it gave us a lot of insight into the area, which was fantastic. I did okay. Anytime there was a turn, I didn't do so well.
I love that.
Anytime there was, like, you make a sharp turn, some of the wind, I got a little extra sweaty, but I survived. We got to learn a lot more about the area, and we got to see actually a pretty interesting looking RV park as we went over. So highly recommend it. This is Fly Scenic Helicopter Tours, or Scenic Helicopter Tours, here in Sevierville.
Yes.
And highly recommend them. Everybody
They're
here
awesome.
has been top notch, and including getting out there. And if you have little ones, they'll put them right up front.
That's awesome.
So now that we got this out of the way, Karri,
Yeah.
it is time.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I think so.
Oh, no. I said, are you ready?
Sure.
We got some violence to attend.
So we're here. Where is here, you ask? Microtorium, micro wrestling.
Well, you gotta hold on a minute there, Mean Karri. You can't
Wow.
go into a whole thing about wrestling without talking about micro wrestling. And I gotta say something, folks. Literally, this was supposed to be a reshoot because we lost the original footage, and we came back here specifically to reshoot this spot. And I'm kind of starstruck. We just spent about 15 minutes talking to Little Ozzy. Here
He's
of
incredible.
micro wrestling, and it was such an honor to just talk as just two people, and insights behind the scenes, things of what they're doing here and everything else. I had this elaborate thing planned. We're just going to make it, kind of like reshoot that original thing, but really just standing here and be able to talk to him was just great. For those of you who don't know, Big Little Brawlers is the show that they put out on Max and Discovery, I believe, those series of channels. And it's kind of like this docudrama of behind the scenes of micro wrestling. And it is pretty much exactly what you would think of it here inside, as you'll see in the next upcoming clips in this video of our time here. But I gotta say, this is something that treats these people with respect and dignity. It is not a sideshow circus thing. It should never be expected to be one. If you're a fan of wrestling or just humans in general, check it out. And I gotta say, Karri, before I wrap up this little bit of segment, I really was touched that not only did we get to spend that time with Little Ozzy and have that experience off camera, just the way we like to do things, but he also subscribed to our channel right in front of us. It was one of the nicest things I could ever see.
Very genuine.
So this experience here in the clips that you're going to see, we didn't film a lot, but we did film what we could, and we really sat back in awe and getting to talk to everybody. So with that,
he's gonna drive Psycho crazy. Stop that! Look, make the know. Psycho's got him now. Control the pushing Piggy back to the road.
And that was my facial expression just a mere couple hours ago. Let's try to get out of the sun. I want to show you this pool. This is the pool that we've been here for about a month.
Yeah.
And we have yet to even feel if it's warm enough or cold enough, or
It's okay.
it's okay. Now, just like that skeleton there, that has basically been the facial expression I have had and worn all day today.
He did fine. Don't let him fool you.
Oh,
See, his soul isn't crushed. He did an amazing job.
What a great day just to get out and explore and to do, well, we took Life Redesigned to new heights. And that's really what we want to do, is come back here as we're back home. And we wanted to thank everybody for spending the day with us. It's been
awesome.
quite the experience. And to Little Ozzy, we want to say thank you for spending the time with these two 50-somethings and having probably one of the best conversations I've had, just off camera. And like an idiot, Karri.
Yeah.
I never once said, hey, do you mind if I interview you? I probably should have, but that's okay.
He's just a genuinely nice guy.
Now, as we get back here with Humphrey, boy, that sun is no joke today.
No.
We do want to sincerely thank each and every one of you for spending the time with us today.
No.
You know what?
You said there was a special something, a surprise of sorts.
We have a surprise
We?
guest for you, or I do. We're going to share that with you. Let's see if you'll answer the door.
Oh, hey, Bob and Karri. Hang on a minute. I'll be right back. Hey, Bob and Karri. Sorry about a while ago.
Well, we are J&A Review. He's Jeremy, I'm Amanda. So that's the J&A. How original is that? But if you guys like to look at new campers or like to get some new ideas or get some information about that, that's one of the things that we do. We also do some campground reviews, and every now and then we throw something in weird about what we're cooking while we're camping out.
And if you would like to subscribe to our channel, we would love to have you. Follow us, and I always say, give us that thumbs up.
Yes.
Thanks, Bob and Karri, and back to you.
We want to thank Jeremy and Amanda from J&A Reviews for special guest appearance
That was funny.
in this video. It's absolutely incredible. And J&A Reviews are the only channel that we watch for RV reviews. Why, Karri?
Because they are the most authentic husband and wife team that we know and that we have ever seen that gives honest reviews on RVs.
And that's no joke. They legitimately do not work for any RV
Nope.
sales group. They don't work for any RV manufacturers. They're just two people, husband and wife, giving their perspective on these great RVs that they go out there, and they do this because they love to keep you informed. If you are a channel subscriber to Life Redesigned and you are not a channel subscriber of theirs, I recommend highly that you, as soon as this video ends, you go over there and you show them some love by giving them that all-important subscribe. And on that note, we've done our due diligence for today.
Yep.
We have gone to the mountaintop. We have come back down to the micro-violence. Now I got to go eat. Until next time, I am Bob.
I'm Karri.
And this has been
Life Redesign.
That was my line.
No, it wasn't.
It was.
It's mine.
Bye.
Bye.